Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change the theme on your Instagram. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your messenger looking icon or your message looking icon at the top right of your Instagram to go on the message section of Instagram. From over here, open up a random chat with your friend. So I'm going to open my random chat with my friend over here. So if I want to change this theme, what I can do is click on his name at the top. If I click on his name at the top, this thing will open up. From over here, you can see the option theme. You want to click on theme. And from over here, there's going to be multiple themes. And if you just want to change the color, you don't want to change the theme in itself, you just want to scroll all the way down. And right below colors, there's going to be multiple colors. If you just want to change the color, then just click on it. And if I go back, as you guys can see, my theme didn't change, but my color changed. Now to change the theme in itself, what you need to do is from inside this theme section, choose one theme. I will go for Russell. If I click on one theme, right in the theme, it shows me Russell. Now, whatever you clicked, it's going to show you that name. If I go back, as you guys can see, my theme has changed. That's how simple it is to change your chat theme on Instagram. It's that easy. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.